Hi, I'm Marty Crandall, Head of Product at Pocampo. Today, I'm going to talk about the Domino Handlebar Bag. The Domino is a great bag for your handlebars. This bag is lightweight at only 9 ounces, but has a generous 4.3 liter volume. Our durable exterior material will stand the test of time and any rainstorm. The Domino comes with multiple interior organization pockets and a 3-point attachment system using our fixie straps to keep the bag secure throughout any type of ride. On the front is a wide reflective panel to keep you visible in low light conditions, and a pocket with a water-resistant zipper to keep electronics protected. The interior has 2 organization pockets and a generous volume to fit more than your essentials. On the back is a storage pocket for the sling strap. You can wear the bag comfortably in a variety of ways while away from your bike. To attach the Domino to your bike, you will first determine the best location based on your bike's handlebars. Be sure to feed the straps down through the webbing gap with the Omni loop facing the bag. Wrap the straps around the handlebars, feed the strap back through the ring, and then press the Omni loop to itself. Repeat this step for the lower strap around the stem of your bike. Thank you. This is the Domino Handlebar Bag from Pocampo.